Hello viewers, today I am just here to clarify your doubt related to these two words, okay, accept and accept, which seems similar in pronunciation but differs in spelling as well as meaning. If you spare your 3 minutes of time with me, I am 100% sure that you will not be having any doubt related to these two words, okay, accept and accept. So the meaning let us know first, and then I will just tell you trick to remember when to use this accept and this accept. Let's have a look over. So the accept mean to receive, okay, to receive, whereas this accept is not including, okay, or even you can just say that this one, to agree with, or to approve. Fine. So the meaning of this accept is to receive, to agree with, or to approve. We can say accept means not including, okay, other than, or you can also say exclude. Okay. So the meaning of this accept is to receive, to agree with, and to approve, whereas this accept is not including, other than that, or exclude. Okay, trick to remember is in a sentence. Fine, you can just see A is there. A indicates, this A letter indicates approve, okay, accepting. Fine. So whereas here this EX indicate, this EX beginning two letter EX indicate exclude. So excluding, okay, excluding in the sense apart from, other than that, or not including. A, this first letter indicate approve or else agree. Fine, and to receive it. Hope that is clear. Let's have few sentences where these two words are used for more clarification. If you have a look over these examples, complete your doubt will be clear now. Accept, I just told you the clue or trick, okay. Accept in the sense A, approval, okay, agree, fine, or to receive. Accept is exclude, EX it start with. Fine, let's have a look over sentences, you see, and then decide whether it is this accept or this accept. Fine. She accepted my offer, approval, agreeing. Fine. So she accepted my offer. She accepted her mistake. She agreed, okay, that she had made mistake. She accepted the invitation. Okay. She accepted it. It means she got ready. Fine. I accepted your application. So application was accepted by the one, right? So I accepted the challenge. So challenge was accepted. Please accept the project. For example, here everywhere you can just see the first 6 sentences. Approval is there, agreeing is there. Fine. So next 4 sentences we will have a look over where there is usage of this accept means excluding, not including. Fine. Let's have a look over. Or apart from, other than. So I like to eat all fruits except papaya. So except papaya, I can just eat any kind of fruit. Fine. So except bitter gourd, I can eat any kind of vegetable. So except is used to exclude. Fine. To other than that we can say, I bought all the things you told me except one, that is chocolate. Fine. Everyone attended meeting. Everybody attended meeting except one, that is Spurti, except one. I have seen nobody except you. Only one was seen, that was you, okay. Except you, nobody was seen there. So this accept is used to exclude, and this accept is used to agree, to receive. Accept, clue is A, approve. This accept, EX, exclude.